Hi, what is archery? Well, archery involves a bow and an arrow, and when most people think of bow and arrow, they think of the Native American Indian. However, archery's been around for hundreds of years before then. Man's been hunting with a bow and arrow since back in the primitive days. Could have started in Hungary or Japan or Mongolia. Who knows? Either way, it's been around for years and years. Now it's become a pretty popular sport, and it's gotten a lot more technical. Let me introduce you to some of the different archery disciplines and some of the equipment involved. This is a compound bow. Short aluminum riser, short, thick, stocky limbs, very powerful. Wheels, 3 strings. Very hard to pull at the beginning, but very easy to hold when the string gets back in what they call the valley. That way you have plenty of time to aim. Real popular bow with the hunters. This is what you call a traditional bow. Just a plain bow, string. No stabilizers, sights, anything like that. It's also a takedown bow because you can unscrew the limbs and take them apart. This is more of a beginner's type bow. This is what we teach the students on. Very easy to pull back, although you can get them with real heavy limbs. Some people even hunt with them. But this is your basic bow right here. This is the child's version of that bow. Same thing. Short riser, limbs that come apart, string.